Yeah, that's right, Mike. It is still snowing here. We're in Pine Township, right off of Route 19, really right near the village of Pines, and it is still lightly snowing here. But the one thing we've noticed over the last couple of hours is accumulation is a lot less compared to what we saw earlier today, where it was snowing at about a good inch or so per hour. You can see crews continue working on the roads. In fact, earlier today we had Drone 4 up, and we've got captured plow trucks working both from Pine Township and from PennDOT. Earlier today, in fact, PennDOT crews were tandem plowing Highway 19, which is two plow trucks kind of running side by side to try and keep the roads clear. Of course, though, we've been dealing with snow too much for them to handle. We haven't seen a lot of major issues here in Pine Township, as a lot of folks have stayed off the roads, but there have been plenty of fishtailing and also people being stuck, though. So again, if you don't have to go out, let crews continue to catch up. Even though our snow is a little lighter, there's still a lot of work for crews to do. We're covering Allegheny County live from Pine Township. Brian Hutton Jr., Pittsburgh's Action Weather.